Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 13, Problem number 2 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem is giving us 3 ions from 3 mass spectrometry experiments and asking us to write some possible formulas for each ion. And so essentially what you want to do is just remember the atomic weight of each different element and see what kind of combinations you can come up with. So for an ion of 72, the easiest answer is C5H12. And I've drawn the math out down here. Carbon weighs 12. There's 5 of them. Hydrogen weighs 1. There's 12 of them. So 60 plus 12 is going to give you 72. Alternatively, you could include an oxygen. Remember, oxygen weighs 16. So 4 carbons at 12 apiece, 8 hydrogens at 1 apiece, and 1 oxygen at 16. And that also adds up to 72. So the answer to the next ion, 100, is pretty much exactly the same. You just find combinations that will add up to 100. And so, again, the simplest one, just carbon and hydrogen, is going to be 8 carbons at 12 apiece and 4 hydrogens at 1 apiece. Again, if you wanted to include an oxygen, just as it's drawn out here, C6H12O, if you do the math, that will add up to 100 for you. And then I do just want to focus on the third part of this problem just a little bit. So we're asked to find formulas basically that add up to 73. And what I was always taught was when you're looking at mass spectrometry problems, if you have an ion with an odd number, so in this case 73, you should immediately think that nitrogen is present. And so the 2 answers that I've drawn here both contain nitrogens. And so nitrogen weighs 14, but what it's actually doing is forcing the hydrogens to assume odd numbers, and that's how you get your odd number, and that's how you get to your 73. Because remember, carbons are 12, oxygens are 16, nitrogens are 14, so you can never add 2 even numbers together or however many even numbers together and get an odd number. But when you include a nitrogen, it's going to force the hydrogens to be an odd number, and that's how you get your odd number. And so again, I've drawn the math for each of these out in green. And that is the answer to Chapter 13, Problem number 2.